Okay, Lima, you ready for your bath? I think it's nice and warm. Here it comes. Woo! There it goes. You gotta go get your bath. It's all over there in the corner. Yeah. Look, it's a bath. It's bath for Birdie. Bath for Birdie. Oh, there we go. Hey, baby. Hello. Goodbye. You want me to leave you? Huh? Hello. Hello. Go take your bath. Wasting all that water. Huh? Oh. Here comes the water. What? Is it too hot? Huh. What? Hello. Much closer shot now of Lima getting her bath. Oh, look at that pretty bird. Oh, yes, so happy. You like baths? Huh? Oh, my goodness. All fluffy. Are you even getting wet? You're not getting wet, dear. Hi. Oh, there you go. You gotta walk into the water. You gotta come over here. You gotta come over here. Yeah. Lima. Come here. Come here. Yay! Somebody got wet. There we go. Oh, look at that. That's not so bad. How's that? Oh my. Oh, somebody got wet. I know it's not exactly the most ideal shower for Birdie with your sensibilities. But I know. And then we have the aloe. We have the aloe spray. Yeah. We're going to spray ourselves a Birdie. Ooh, listen to that. Listen to that. Look at that smell. Hi. You a bird? Get you to run through the bath again? By coming over here? Lima. There she is. Hello. Here she comes. She figures out. She figured out how to stay out of the water. Hi. Hello. Bye-bye. Look at that. Look at that bird. What? Hello. Are you having fun? Huh? Hello. Hi. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Hello. Hello. Bath time with Birdie. We're in the shower. Are you trying to close the drain? Silly bird. Should I spray you with water? Is that what you're trying to tell me? Huh? What? pop up. There you go.